Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the CRKT Maven here with me for a quick review. And we're gonna see that this is a pretty interesting knife, guys. Overall length is gonna be around 7.75 inches with a 4.5 inch long handle and 3.6 inch long blade. This is a very interesting knife made by CRKT. It's designed by Richard Rogers, right over here, made in China. It's gonna be around $50, something like that. Nice liner lock with nice G10 scales. Like, these are very, very nicely done. It's liner lock, like stainless steel liners with some holes on the inside to reduce the weight. Couple standoffs over here. Nice drop point hollow grind blade. The steel employed is 8CR13 MOV, has a pretty cool bead blast finish. The sound this guy makes, it's interesting. I mean, it's very mellow, very subtle. It's not loud, and there's a nice tink when you close it. In the pocket, it's gonna weigh 4.6 ounces. It has a pretty interesting deep carry pocket clip with some billboarding going on. Fit and finish overall, it's pretty decent, I have to say. The grip is alright. There's just a tiny bit of hot spots coming up over here. Nothing too crazy. It's running on bearings. It's pretty smooth. It could be a little bit better. Detent is a little bit on the light side, but overall it's a pretty good knife. Alright guys, there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out the full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.